So good everyone. So we have to integrate this expression 4x raised power 3 minus 3x squared plus 2 dx, where x is where the value is from 3 to 1 under this boundary 3 to 1. So how do we integrate? Integration normally, how do we integrate? If we have integral of what? Ax raised power n dx. So what do? You add what? You add plus 1. You add 1 to the power and divide it by what? By what the power is after we divided this. So if you want 1 to this one, now what do you have? You have n plus 1. In that case, we're going to have what? Ax power n plus 1 over this same index now. This same power n plus 1 plus c. That's going to be our integrated form. So here now, what I'm going to have now? In this case, we have something like this. So you integrate each of them, integrate each expression. So what we are going to have 3 integral of 3 to 1 of what? To become 4x raised power 3 plus 1 over what? 3 plus 1 minus, okay, we are doing integrating now already, so let's move this one. 3x raised power 2 plus 1 over what? 2 plus 1. Then the last one that become what? My plus 2 is power what? See, this one is a constant already. So now what? You will now have to introduce the what? The variable, which is x. So the one become what? X power, because normally it is x power 0 normally like this. This is what is there. This is what is there. X is power 0, because the 0 is already what? The x is already carrying 0 as its power. So that's why you don't have it there. Because it's the same as having 2, because x power 0 is 1 times 2 2. So in that case, I'm then going to add 1 to that power. So the boundary will come plus 1 over 0 plus 1. So the boundary now, what's the boundary? They give us from 3 to 1. So put it there, 3 1. So what are we going to have now? We are going to have 4x raised power 4. 4x raised power 4 over what? Over 4 minus 3x raised power 3 over 3 plus 2x over 1. So from what? From 3 to 1. From 1 to 3. Then what do? Cancel out. So what we're going to have? X is power 4 minus x is power 3 plus 2x from 3 to 1. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put these values, this 3 and 1. You put the first number, which is the upper boundary, you put it wherever you see x, and the lower boundary, put it wherever you see x also. So now subtract the one the one with 3 as its upper boundary, that is the upper boundary minus the lower boundary. So in that case, we're going to have 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 2 into bracket 3. So whatever we have here minus whatever we have for what? For 1. So it will become what? 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power what? 3 plus what? 2 raised to power what? 2 into bracket 1. So 4 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 is what? That is 81 minus 3 raised to power 3, that is 27 plus 6. That's what we have for this one. Then minus 1 raised to power 4 is 1 minus 1 plus 2. So 81 minus 27, that will give us 54. If I'm not mistaken. 54. Yes, 54. So 54 plus 6, that is what? 60. So 60 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 2, 2. That is 60 minus 2. That will give us what? 58. So that will be our final answer. So the boundary of this word for this expression given to us. Whenever we integrate this expression from 3 to 1, we're going to have what 15 as our final answer. Those are our final answer. So thank you all for watching.